Installing the Smart Wiring Center. This Smart Wiring Center communicates wirelessly to the smart interface in the boiler via Zigbee. The maximum range for this communication is up to 30 meters. Range is reduced by large metallic objects and thick walls. If the distance between the smart interface and the Smart Wiring Center is troublesome, you may wish to consider adding a Zigbee booster to the system to increase the range. To unlock the cover, turn the locking screw 1/4 of a turn anti-clockwise. The Smart Wiring Center is supplied in the unlock position. The cover opens from the left-hand side. The Smart Wiring Center must be wall-mounted. Use the fixing points and suitable fixings for the wall type. Wiring for the Smart Wiring Center can be either through the rear of the device or surface mounting. Whenever surface mounting any wiring, ensure to use the wiring clamps provided. Isolate any electrical power to the wiring. Remove the wiring clamps for the 230 volts mains supply and for heating zones 1 and 2. Wire in a permanent 230 volts mains supply. Refit the wiring clamp, ensuring that the outer sheathing is secured. Wire the zone valve for heating zone 1. The connections are marked and color-coded for ease. Refit the wiring clamp, ensuring that the outer sheathing is secured. In this video, the outer sheathing is not clamped for clarity only. Wire the zone valve for heating zone 2. Refit the wiring clamp, ensuring that the outer sheathing is secured. Refit the cover onto the Smart Wiring Center. Lock the cover by turning the locking screw 1/4 clockwise to the lock position. Now isolate the electrical power to the boiler. Use a flat-headed screwdriver to remove the blanking plate from the boiler. Remove the link wire plug and keep in a safe place. Connect the plug on the smart interface to the connector in the aperture. Simply push-fit the smart interface into the boiler. The Halo uses wireless Zigbee communication between the control and the smart interface with a maximum range of 30 meters. Where possible, avoid directing either the Zigbee through metal frames or solid concrete walls. Refer to the location guidelines in the installation guide for sighting of the Halo. The Halo can be either wall-mounted or desk-mounted. When wall mounting, simply secure the rear mounting either directly to the wall or to the trim plate. Insert the batteries into the front housing and clip into place. Alternatively, the Halo has an integrated rear housing and desk stand, which can be clipped easily into place. Do this for both Halo programmable room thermostats.